Regresamos otra vez al Dodger Stadium para ver el juego de los Dodgers y los Padres. Ready to see Corey Seager, Cody Bellinger, Justin Turner, and the boys. Yep, dude. Yep, dude. It's not your slightly older brother's Dodgers anymore, dude. Bobblehead Day. Bruzdar, who's on a DL, IL, sorry, doesn't even have an arm. Doesn't in the picture. Doesn't even look like he has an arm. Sick. Yeah, I was gonna say they're probably gonna delay it.
Rain says
it's not Dodger Stadium without 76, baby. So a couple years ago, they redid the whole outfield section, including the pavilions. This is all new wood.
it's all brand new.
Yeah,
It looks so different.
it does.
Like this looks like
Yeah, they did a good job of mixing in the old with the new. Like, I love the way they redid this. Yep, different but the same concept.
yeah, it looks good though.
The only thing that doesn't look good are the Padres out there. Dude. Boo! Boo! Oh, that's sick. They have the. You can get up all close to the roof panelings now. So the Padres won a game yesterday. If they win one today, that's 2 in a row. If they win one tomorrow, that's called a winning streak. It has happened before. getting blasted? Blasted with the rain and wind. Hey man, you first it.
Huh?
You first it.
Alright, fuck it, dude.
Ah. Oh. Oh Jesus. Oh yeah. You guys like Estrella Jalisco? That's what you guys like Estrella Jalisco, dude? At least with glasses I can see. Yeah? Yeah? Out of 10, dude?
10 out of 10, best hot dog in baseball.
All right. Dude, first time in my life I've ever done a rain delay game, dude. A rain delay game. Yeah?
You said that you drove how long to get here?
Tarp probably is like too low. The batter's eye. So this is the center field batter's eye. I'm assuming they tried to make these seats originally. Yes.
Yeah. You got that move, didn't you? Yeah. Let me hear it.
Little update, dude. Still waiting for the game to start.
Oh, it's not raining.
Yeah, so we.
It's cold.
Game still hasn't started, but peanut butter jelly banana fried sandwich. Oh, damn. Yeah, that's good. I took a bite. It's really good. I think it just comes off like that. Agent just said Max Muncy's going deep here. What a liar, dude. What a liar.
You got robbed.
It would have been over the fence. Was it? We'll see. We'll see. Oh, yeah, you're right. It was out of, yep. No, on the way up for sure. That's definitely up. Mookie! Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I'm Dodgers. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get back home. It's for the Dodgers. They don't. That's it, dude. For the stadium, dude. Dodgers win.
Dodgers win, dude.
What was the score? 5-3? 5-2? 5-2. Improved to 11-6 in the year. Go back to 3 games up in first place. On the Padres, yeah. It's so cold. I can see my breath. Holy crap. Whew. They sold out of blankets in like the third inning. We were here since 4 o'clock today.
Yeah, we were.
It's 11.
11?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it was fun though. But we spent a lot of money on food.
That was a good experience.
Yeah. Spent a lot of money on food and stuff.
Yeah. We got bubbly.
Oh, and we got a bobblehead. Bruiser. Bruiser the Bruiser. And Gavin Stone took a perfect game into 5. I jinxed it.
Yeah.
And then, who else? Let's see. Watch out. Mookie had 3 hits. Ohtani had a hit, 2 hits, a hit. Yeah. So it was good. No home runs though, at all. Either team.
Ball's dead.
Ball's down, yeah. Watch out with this guy. Flying over here, dude. Flying, dude. Yeah, we're like in the wrong spot to cross. Yeah. let's just but anyway, that'll do it from Dodger Stadium. Oh, we gotta just go, dude. And here comes the helicopter. This is like the beginning of that one time the Rock had that video with LA and the helicopter in the background. You just gotta go, dude. Yeah, that's pretty cool.